Punctuation means? Yeah.
심지어 고용이.
Yes. 다 다른 가지고 가르쳐야 돼?
Punctuation, introduction of punctuation.
Yeah, it's an introduction of punctuation. Ngazo punctuation. PowerPoint kan lap ko re. Ta ngazo punctuation la na punctuation la khare khare re. Kinzo kisin jang la sa gi la ge.
Full stop, question
Full
mark,
stop,
comma,
question mark. Yes.
Exclamation, exclamation,
Okay.
The 3 points.
confusion,
Okay.
colon, semi,
Okay.
apostrophe.
Okay. Now. Okay. Ta sama kha de ta nga gela lap kirta.
That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Dilemma.
Okay. Punctuation dekha chigla na punctuation marks used in writing. Writing nala pyoche chigres mangche. Nganzo lodi damba kha chigre we post ra nganzo gi yigi chiglo na, for example I say introduction of punctuation of like damba ye post chi damba desa color. Nganzo gi yigi gi zamche tang de ha gu da. Ine nganzo writing na khare re. We can't post, right? Post here, me dita manzo le ya khala sample din detail. Sample la na hakuya. Sample la na sign din detail. Sign de zo la khala la na punctuation la or. Okay?
Yes.
Punctuation de hakona khare la kewayur.
You have
Punctuation
more
na khare
structure
kewayur.
in your. You have more structure, and you can. It's yeah. It's better.
Yes. Yes. Tenzi porang la pe agula. Punctuation de shena tenzi genyi la la da punctuation shena kha kewayur.
La. 어쩌마 되는지 고용기로.
Punctuation de shena khawa la kewayur le.
네가 싱마스.
Okay. Tenzi somala. La chod. Tenzi somala inda.
Dot.
No. Punctuation de shena when
Mark
you
used in writing to separate parts of sentences and make
no, don't
them
read. Tenzi
meaningful.
somala everybody can read. Yala get there. Punctuation de shena manzo gi sentence separate part ya lo single separate in bahawur. For example, I say marks used in writing to separate parts of sentences and make their meaning clear. Their meaning minda because I'm not putting any punctuation in that. Ra full stop yesala full stop kya mare end yesala end thigo mare comma yesala comma kya mare. So the sentence has no meaning. Sentence declare your mar. Understood?
Yeah.
When the punctuation is there, the sentence will be clear. For example, here I wrote punctuation marks used in writing to separate parts of sentences and make the meaning clear. Lada. Punctuation first the comma ra. The first the comma che. Dine semicolon, colon, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, and is there any other? Okay. Any first punctuation marks the capital letters. Capital letters how kuya punctuation na capital letter yo how kuya?
No.
How kuya? Are you listening to me? Are you all with me, right? You're all with me, right?
Yes.
Yes. Punctuation now first the capital letter. Now whenever we are going to start a letter or a sentence, you have to start with the capital letter and ends with the dot. The rules, punctuation ki rules. Man, punctuation ki rules. Whenever you going to start a letter, you have to start with a capital letter and ends with a dot. 이게 가래 있네 당봉을 티도 담바 start 가르쳐 오랑 안저 capital letter 간라 티오레스. 아니 이게 those 나만 저 인지 미지 full stop 비가오레스. Why this capital letter and full stop shows that sentence is complete? 간데 가진 된 거라. Because your words are end now. 그냥 기계 좀 라야 돼 줘라. 근데 just now I will say tensi porang is smart. So just now I'm just talking about tensi porang. So the sentence to so tensi porang is smart. Zosa dike ch zosa. So I put tensi porang de la ye two capital letters are tensi porang tensi t da p and then the starting letter tensi right. Kachine why I put capital letter for names?
To show respect, or
Wow.
to say
Yeah.
that to say that the sentence begins.
Yeah, you're correct. Then to like you they correct it. And capital letter like according to the rules here. There English is a funny language. You know that, right? In the funny
Yes.
language, hey, mother. Sometimes
Yes.
we don't think that English is
Gala.
la.
Shush.
Catches. You have a question? Do you have a question?
Ik snap. Nga heb zingen mindu.
Okay, you can say it. If you don't know, you can say it. Okay, listen, okay? Punctuations mean that. Nanga gonik desi kaya punctuations mean that. Odi nga zo khare sentence chi complete chawada, sentence declare, sentence ni paruliya, loga yewa chenye chura. Odi laga chugo relan. Punctuation na thangshe dikhare la na capital letter. Manzo inchi gi lukse thangshe dikhale na sentence you go to the number always you have to write in capital letter and ends with dot. Yes. For example, I'll say Tenzi Somo. Tenzi Somo is cute. And T I put capital letter. Tenzin Somo gi T I put capital letter. And then cute, after cute, I put full stop. That means the sentence ends here. Yes. And capital letters, there are rules in English, in punctuation or in capital letter. Correct? We use capital. Gela ye screen thongku de kyans.
통도.
Yes.
통도.
Ah,
나 통도.
kandas thongmendo then. Capital letter na. Okay, we. Tanya. We use capital letters for names. Kanda rola name khari ne. For example, if it is a person's name, if it is a name of the country, or sun, Mars, and the solar system khari ne ra. Nima, Tawa, khari ne. We start with the capital letter. Rule thangbo de. You understood?
Yeah.
And then months, yeah, Tawa. Months kaja de.
12.
12 months. So months,
12.
yes. Whenever you're going to write any months in your sentence, you have to start with capital letter. Months ki first letter sama capital letter chere. Days of week, yeah. Days of week first letter sama capital letter chere. And at the beginning of sentences, last sentence kadu kosu waine yike thangbo kosu de capital letter ne kosu ures. Understood? Nga yoku For example, I said the teacher is not in the class. The T I put capital letter because I'm starting with the ra. Then the first letter ra. First letter, for example, I put at the beginning of sentence. At the nye kharchi do. The nye ki che do timido. Why? Because it's the beginning of the letter.
It's a day.
Yes, it's the beginning of the letter. When the sentence starts with the capital letter and ends with the dot, this angajusum gotta. Khalaso gelaye. All the sentences start with capital
Our words
letter.
begin with capital letter and it ends with the dot.
Yes, full stop. Good job.
Dots,
Not
correct,
not
Gela.
words. Dot lana full stop. You know that
Dot
full
on
stop?
the pinch.
Ah.
Full stop. Yes. And after full stop, for example, you like Tenzing likes apple. After full stop, you have to start with capital letter because you are going to start another sentence. You understood?
No.
After full stop, capital letter can't. Why? Because Tenzing likes apple, full stop, because it's over. The sentence is over there. Then,
Di Gela. Gela.
yeah.
Miss.
Di. Di lenguman ne jangi. Nga sama singi.
Ale, shenye dige khaga de inda. And mashinge the revision revise for you. Kira amcho nye de ta. Mashinge the tola sawara.
But Miss, isn't I always in a capital letter?
Yes. You're right. I is special. You dige special de. You understood, right?
Yes.
I is always special in English. Okay, then after full stop the kanga halai launa, Tenzing lies apple lana yigi de sentence chik zosar. Tenzing apple la kawi yore la ra. Anye ine and then yigi kesho mara. Anye full stop get. I want to start another sentence. If you're going to start another sentence, you have to start with the capital letter. Understood? For example, Tenzing likes apple. She full stop. She eats 5 apples a day. Full stop. Chito timendo.
Chiru.
Chitu.
Adi capital letter chi kwa la chigo la na ngazo postcard tende da ngazo iko tangi ya. Yigi pa zu tango ra. Ani iko ngala ngazo postcard tende yora. Tezu sama khadu ne capital letter na chigo res. You understood? What's this?
Yes.
First simple English you mada di kitchen for capital letters mean that kwa two you meta kwa la shao you match mean that. Oh the kitchen board. You don't have to learn like basic to a drama. These are like common English. Common English. Nganzu takpa pheju tang du ora. Tezu koma se na. An kirangi lo du dang ba clear che mada sentence ya. Kwa la koma sha do kwa la ya 이기 치에티우도 과라 이기 충어티도 야 상마 믹스 간티도. Okay?
Do we have to write it down?
No, you can write it down in the maybe in your home. Just now you just have to listen. Okay? Okay. Capital letter the kotsuse.
Go to Songera.
Kotsuse. Okay, dinje porang la inda. For example, we use Hello? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Ta nga zu ya din zu porang la inda. Ye gi khala so nga zu we use capital letter for names la sa. So can I write capital letter for animal names? For example, I said giraffe.
No.
Gela tisba.
No.
Yes. Okay, Tenzi Somula. If I say Alex lana inji mingra. Somula kya kumundunga.
Ha, koidu.
Alex la de la kurang capital letter two re two mara.
Theorem bata mingde.
Mi mingra. Okay. What about star? Tenzi dogala. Star. Star.
Gela sketches na komindo.
Star. Twinkle. Yes, star. Star, the capital letter two mara.
Na. Kare gone lata gela.
Sun, moon, star. Yes, karma. Star, moon, Ani son the capital letter 2 the 2 mare.
Chigo Mare, Chigore.
Who is talking here? Tenzi togala. I'm asking to you.
Chigo Mare.
Why? Tenzi kingila why?
Ma, dear.
Chigore.
Look, now you're confused because star, sun, moon, dige zambulina chik yora. These are the exceptional English. Lasanya English is a funny language. You can put. For example, la.
어제 당근 갔어.
어제는 핵치로 미치기.
La. Okay, now we are going to next chapter. Okay, dangat kiss team mein dada. Next tele tuinda.
That's it.
Okay, next kare period lana color.
A period is
A dot.
It's a full stop. Another name for period is full stop. You know full stop, right? Full stop
Yes.
hakuya. Full stop thing also khadi phujitang ko lana when the sentence ends. Sentence go na anjo full stop the phujitang ko ra.
Yes.
A period is a dot that marks the end of a sentence. Period ladi it's a dot chik resta. O di khala na anjo gi sentence khadi zone o di du gyago res. Pena chashana the dog sat on the grass. The dog sat on the grass na kidi sagala desha lagora. The sentence sagaran zor, so we put full stop over there. The weather today is very warm. Daily and sentence chasa. The sentence ends over there, so we put full stop. I don't like to eat mustard. Mustard sago mel and sentence zor thagana. So you have to put full stop after that. There are too many leaves on the trees. Sentence end chasa. Is there any other sentence after that? No, right? If the sentence ends over there, you just have to put full stop. If it is not and, then you have to put say and bird. This is this sentence the end chamena. You will say there are too many leaves on that tree, but I want to sit there.
Okay.
And the lola, you're right. Sentence end chayomare. That there you use and but this is word. But then you put and but that is a pujitane. When you put another sentence chambach pujitana ya de and chat then you have to put full stop. So it's not complicated at all. The main thing is whenever the sentence is ends, you have to put full stop. That's it.
Gila.
What's this?
Gila.
La.
Apostrophe na kairo yure.
La?
There. What we mapmas.
Apostrophe. You don't have to learn that. We're going to teach only 5 over there.
Oh yeah, matunga Google
Yeah.
kala tine ni tama tishe.
Yes. Okay. The period goes to full stop goes to
Yeah.
sama
What is
goes
gonna get up?
Kesa sample kiranga ji video ka do ani voice ka sha kya goes to there. Tinji
Video
tawala
ka
goes to there. Tinji tawala goes to there.
Video menga. What's so cute?
Go Masuna, always raise your hand. You have a chance. You have to always raise your hand. Kala na nga jinda nalaya lobsen rodi ra kyan su koma suna jili thir.
Nga ki period shida hako masunga shamba nga hako so.
Okay, now you listen. Period lana is nothing. It's just a full stop. Full stop lana, it's a dot. Dot di khaji phuji tango lana nga. Danya. Dot di khaji phuji tango lana nga zu sentence chik zona. Ani nga zu dot di jago re lar. Pena chasna yegi ende lar ta tenzi toga la cha tungi du lar. Nga zu phuge na la dot yo mara. Awo dasham ji du ka du di phuji tango re tango mara.
Yure.
Awo dasham ji du ka du chila nga zu chaktung phuji tango. Chaktung lab nyu ya kya nga zu peyu ke lai chaktung lab kira.
Okay.
Oh, the chaktung shminde. Oh, the engine na dot re. So ngajogi pena chasna tinji togala so chuki do asak do that same goes to here. The weather today is very warm. Full stop. The sentence ends with the full stop. Sentence khajutiwa in kurangi sentence they end with the full stop. You can't read whenever you want to read something also you can read like there's a full stop, right? For example, if I say the period is a dot that makes the end of a sentence. A period is a dot that makes the end of sentence. For example, the dog sat on the grass. If there's no full stop, the sentence goes on. Full stop, you will pause. Pause, you will understand better. The sentence For example, if there's no full stop, you will read continuously. The continuously but your sentence are mixed up with another sentence. Sentence mixed but you don't understand whole sentence clear. Sentence this goes clear you understood, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Understood. Then the case full stop lana full stop lana is not complicated at all. Full stop is studying full stop. Okay, next one. Next one is about exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation mark lana color.
You scream. Or it's
Hello.
another.
Okay, always raise your hand. Okay, tenzi toga lainda.
Pena scream china pena mit shambati tari muyana nature you wanna come here la dene kalare exclamation
My exclamation mark. So hey lana, when you raise your voice for example if you say tenzi toga lailana, hey you wanna come here and there's no excitement minda, so your exclamation mark will be not used at all. For example, I say hey it's too loud. For example, you can, if you say like, hey, do you want to come to my house? Your voice, if your voice is raised, then there's an excitement.
No.
Then we have to use that exclamation mark the used word.
That's so.
Okay, tinja porang la inda. Tinja porang la. Can I?
You use an exclamation mark when you scream or you give an order to someone.
Yeah.
Something
Okay,
like
then
that.
yes, tinja somala. Yes, good. Tinja somala. Tinja somala inda.
For example, Chichura.
La, can I acting you can do it.
Ngala jipuchi lagi. Mechi la ketonsna ane exclamation mark gore.
Yeah, if you say it in a excitement or surprise, you can. If you say hey Tenzing do lawaina, you're making it excitement, right? You're feeling the correct excitement then you can put that mark. Understood? Okay, now. Hello, who's that?
Koidu.
Okay. Kissing out the thing on the who that?
Ta kodu.
Where that, right? Okay, exclamation mark the content over here.
Tikchi and Paula Dodochi.
One line. It's just a dot. I dot. I putting lojo. Yes. I upside down dojo. Yes, nice. I upside down. Okay. When exclamation mark are used to show strong feelings like excitement or show something is being said loudly. Excitement and hagosa.
Oh.
For example, you're saying it's very like, for example, I say, wow, your handwriting is so good. Wow, it's me there. I'm showing his handwriting excite me. Korangi handwriting di ngalia be ninja muton. Koran handwriting di ninja muton de gela na shoot dora and wow lata. What the kind of feeling, strong feelings your mother. One day feeling yogi sentence you have to put that mark. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For example, stop. Stop.
Yes.
Stop, you have to put that mark because it shows loudness and it shows strong feeling. Right? And strong feeling is just strong feeling na how we are.
Yeah.
It means when you are hangsang na, then you have to put that mark. What are you doing? You have to put that mark. You have to put that mark. And what are you doing? You have to put question mark. Because I'm asking you question and I'm also surprised. Right? Strong feeling. Loud. Who is talking here?
Tenzi gengela.
Tenzi gengela takar koran lap solar. Tenzi gengela inda. Exclamation.
Ini michi kabaleruwa. Dichin nga kyai. Mi kabale dichin nga te scream sing.
Okay. Tenzi gengela inda. Exclamation mark the kwala pretty short.
Kira keshi chimbo gyana.
Kishu chimbo jana. Okay. Another?
Lungzana.
Lungsana. Okay. Very good.
Yang na hangsang na.
Very good. Fabulous. Kiran lung sawa do inere. Kiran ya hang sawa do inere. Kiran ya if you're showing strong feeling, excitement, surprise, chana, you have to put that mark. The mark the meaning la khale. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Yes. Okay, now look here. For example, stop. He yelled. You have got 2 flat tires. Stop. Let's yell. Stop. He yelled. No, stop. When that you have to put that exclamation mark. Get off my lawn. He is angry because someone is staying on his lawn. So he said, so you have to use that mark also. Oh, wow. Help, no. You have to put that mark. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, what is next? It's a question mark. Okay, and the question marks mean that specific.
If you ask
When
something.
you have a question.
Yeah.
When you have a question, okay? Is it too high for you?
Tota doa.
Kali kacha se doa.
Oh, gela ngati singi. Ngati singi.
Okay, look, the question marks your mother.
Nga singi.
Okay, then the Kenya line.
Yora. Kira mijigla dinde kiche china. Jisha dinde lingora dinde chowa chik china.
Yes,
nga dinde che ore kicha chia dinde chi. Deji de galo dinde chia ore. Yang na kira chik masing na deji mil la na deji di chia ore. the morgi.
Ani Shamba? Anyone else? Lindsay, I guess I'm going to question mark. While I use shoulder.
Dusnashi. Is this your dog?
Yes. Guess I'm Sambula. Get like a halason. Injuno to Damba.
Huh? La?
Injuno to Damba halaso gelaya. Don't put your accent, don't mix your accent with English. For example, you said, is this your doggy lemba? So if you mix your accent with the English, then English ki pronunciation shomara, it will be changed. And mi shamba ye koto chudu mare, they won't understand, right? Okay? Kiran chinjira namsa shingir. Question mark there, danda there too. Depends as na kisang bula pe agulas. Is this your doggy lasa? Is this your doggy? And someone is asking to someone, right? They can't get well and kiss to what and the pacha de la case, na. You have to put that question mark. You have to use that mark, question mark. Is so go to that. Thank you so much. Okay. Question mark is used at the end of sentence when asking our question. Sentence chick ya penachas na question mark de kadu kosu ko lana manjogi sentence question ina the end lang manjo question mark de pejutam go res. For example, what time is it? Tuzo khazur do la shura.
Question question mark.
Yes, sentence you have to put that question mark. Manju namgi sentence so na manju full stop but if it is a question, then you have to put question mark.
Yeah.
What's it say? So it's not like your sentence is and then you have to put full stop and you question mark and the gaya mara. So for example, it is a question, you have to put question mark. If it's not question, if it is normal, then you have to put full stop. What's it say?
Yeah.
How are you doing? It's a question or just saying?
It's a question.
Question.
Okay. Why did that happen?
They can middle
Question.
It's a question. Yes. So question in the country how good. If it is a question, how do you know that it's a question?
If they have question mark.
No.
네, 그라 미치기라 깨자치나, 연애 그라 마싱야 찌 밀라 깨자치나, 연애 이 그라 기래 깨자치나.
Okay, then the porang
if your sentence requires an answer.
Requires an answer. Okay, good. And Nishamba? Nishamba, yeah. Okay, sentence. If the sentence is a question, first thing also Karina how could if it starts with what, how, why, where. If the sentence starts with how, what, why, where, when, it's a question. What is that? La da.
Exclamation mark, question mark,
For example, if you're playing something, someone said why, then that's a question.
Oh, makashi ka na.
That's a question. They might say it in a surprise, but when the sentence starts with the why, when, where, what, how, and then it goes to it's a question. So you have to put question mark girl. Understood? What is that? Okay, next is
Yes.
comma. Comma lana kalota.
Color pina color ngone china full stop draw chikre inane.
Full stop down, a full stop
Nga nyingi me. Tenzi porang la inda.
I think it's a junction between two sentences.
Yes, yes.
나
Okay.
Tenzi sin jigire.
Porang la ya pusis.
저 parates sin jigire gera parates.
Gila.
Acha kira. Tenzi kenya la ke pe mambu gyo tu tanga zenda na gela la shuinda.
미 나는 지우디 수키 망보 가기로 디레.
Tenzi kesa sangbu la inda.
Nagi line block chaso deni nga ke komaso.
Ale okay now look kare komas. Which one? Caution?
Koma. Komaso.
Koma sa it's okay. Koma nga chikwi nanda. Oh koma la na khande shoda. It's like this. What's this? Koma la na khande shoda can't tinda. Tamo na tinda da koma la na khande shoda tinda.
꼬마 딘데 얘라 그나 딘네 기타 지기라 라 딘네 지기라기라 딘앙시 그라 버브 딘데
Yes. Good job.
그라 딘데
Kilam chu chi nyingmendo. Kilam chu chi nyingmendo ke. Nya koma la na khande shoda them na tinda da.
아 꼬마
Good, good. This is all good.
꼬마 딘데 왔다
Porang la good. This is all good. Okay, now. Comma is a punctuation mark used within a sentence. And the sentence ni na lo le comma di phiji tang gi des. Comma tells the reader. And lo nye de la khala re where and when to hadu khwala post to da wo di ngot comma di ya. It will help the reader to instead la khana so.
여기 나를 든지를 당기 쉐탄스 데코스.
It's okay. Okay, comma
good.
lo nye
코스 당기.
코스
공부 많소.
Okay, listen now. I'm not going to repeat again. You can so ya do not happen. But then this one nga alone didi na. Comma tells the reader when to pause. Comma di khachi re lo nye de so la nganzo lo nye de so la khatu ya zamche wo yume da khatu nganzo ya shao yume di tungi res. If the sentence is too long, nganzo comma de pheji chi gora. This is getting the sharp. Okay. And it helps to make the meaning of sentence clear. Sentence de always the full stop in there, question mark in there, karine punctuation kore khachu wala na. It helps the sentence to make it clear. Meaning de clear you tungora changma you. Okay. Put a comma before or but when joining two complete sentences. For example, sentence ni ro nga join chigwe na. I'll say I love boxing, my family, and my dog. If I have 3-4 listing things, favorite chala ya nga ni sum shi mambu yawai na. Then I have to use that comma. Understood? Penasasna, what is your favorite fruit? Mala favorite fruit chigle ma ya na. I have to use that comma. Sentence I'll say I love apple and orange and mango and is it beautiful sentence? If I put lot of and in between sentence, is it beautiful?
No.
No, right? Instead of and we use
first you do comma and in the end, then if you have another thing, then you can say end.
Yes. Look, the sentence they khare comma di khar sugolana. If you use and in all the likes, then it will make your sentence so boring. What's it say?
Yes.
If I say I love apple and orange and banana and mango and something, then there are too many and your sentence is so boring. So instead of that, I put comma. I love apple, comma, banana, comma, and then orange, comma, and mango. I put and at the end of the sentence, right? Again, ra and mango. Chik yora gone chik yodu damba. You have to put full stop after that. So that.
Yeah.
Comma the khadu use chik lana when you have so many things to write together. You do number you have to put comma. Comma the kya hola sa. What's that? Okay. Tenzing porang la. Can you give me an example?
When I was on the party yesterday, I saw my friend Tenzin Sonam,
Tenzing.
Hundrup, Dra, Sumo,
You
and
have to say comma, and then and. Kalana.
okay.
Just now we're writing
Yes.
around. So read
Yes.
or you have to say comma. Kalana. Push number to the course.
When I was at the party yesterday night, I saw my friend Sonam, Sumo, Dura, Juba, and Larchu.
Good. Shamba to the course. Then the case and Angula goes.
What is so?
If get like a kesa sambula like guest, the kesa sambula can get Shindo Gashu Kain letter, kesa sambula can let Shindo Gashu Suble Manga, any Kandis TM, Kandis Lange. I'm asking to kesa.
My favorite fruits are banana, apple,
And
banana, and
mango, orange.
Mango.
Good job. Yeah. If I ask you what's your favorite sports, if I ask you what's your favorite sport, ani kiran khandis lenge gya koma yo wala. Ani khala ne tigre kiran gela gendeler kiran ge temu ga she khari yinler an temu ga she ni tasum le ma yo na you have to put comma yagora khandis ge ni temu ga she ani kangje bolo thang ma zo phege na thang gera ani phege na thang de and the chipad and the thang de chipada ngajon de le mara kangje bolo thang ani lakche polo thang de thang mangu ye mara o de chide ngajo khale kangje polo ani comma lakche polo comma and table tennis is on the laida then the go se okay. Put a comma before or but when joining two complete sentences. What's it? For example,
It's my sister.
Don't disturb. Okay. Now, colon the semicolon. Colon the semicolon. Nana, did you read about that? Semicolon the colon galaya cancel. Okay, the colon is a punctuation mark consisting of two dots, one over the another. Dots near the dots chikala, dots chik shamba chikala, dots near in this in their parallel in there. What the colon letters? Okay, colon being also khatu use chilana. When you introduce a list of things, chala mambo chi introduce che na. And you have to use that colon. For example, in front of him were the following. means pies, holy, and other delicious delight. Dige do lagora. For example, if I say in front of me, I have laptop, I have my books, pen, mobile, and coffee. If I'm introducing a list of things, you have to use colon. What is that? What's that? Do you hear me? I can talk though.
Yes.
거기도.
Okay. Colon the kadu physical what how was that? Colon de ta kama nyingi ke nyingi.
India.
신기.
Okay, then again you line dani. Singi.
거는 요라.
Ah.
딜라나 그래 딜라기라 디낭시 I can say many animal names. They could call in Jura. This could like lion, zebra,
Yes, good job.
Good sister.
This is Peago.
My example teacher.
La.
My example
Kela.
Okay, Lada. This is Ginny Linda. So the Gela Lanka Sambula.
It's so more.
In some more. Some more you have to keep quiet now. I have to hear from Kesan some more. Yes, no, Kesan Sampo.
Nagi koma chukpu hakos jelanga koma so kachini internet giakpu mindu.
Who are you?
Kersang.
Kesan Sampo in bed. Okay, then. Okay, the first Kesan Sambula this koala. How much you call? Like a bongo, semicolon, the colon, I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Colon thing also, when you're introducing list of things, you have to use colon. Colon the kadang also you know. I'm going to introduce my animals. So my favorite animals in the colon chisa. Kalana he animal ming mangopet. So she used colon there. She wants to introduce so many animals over there. So she used colon the vegetarian. Understood? If I say he went to the zoo and he saw a lot of animals and he used colon there. And animals you have to write that animal's name. Oh, did you list you have to use that colon. What is that?
Yeah.
If I say in front of me, I have my students there. Students I have my students there. Colon, tinzi toga, tinzi somo, tinzi lundu porang, tinzi juba, tinzi genye, kesan sangbol and tidoa. Oh, did you cut me manguchi ming yama chala manguchi ming introduce chigina? Animals manguchi introduce you. Now you have to use colon. Okay?
Gila.
Okay. Colon da, colon porula ya khaikewa.
Pala tus lagore. Mikta tus I have many students. Colon tinsi genye unpoke sangpo tinsi dawa dusre.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes, you can also say in front of him. If I say in front of tinsi genye, what the following on the dizudu lagora. Then I'll put the following I put the colon the gasa And chala khari khari mean that mince, pies, folly, and other delicious delight. Tige do laura. If you want to say animals, so you can get jula to animal mangoton. So if you say I went to the kitchen and I saw so many things, and you have to put colon and you can write all the kitchen stuff. Kinzu inchi gosu ya, kinzu gela ge inchi ki gena gosu da.
고추기도 sama.
Okay. Semicolon is to make the gap between two sentences, make it shorter. Semicolon dekhala nganzo sentence ni poru chuna sentence tetis thunga suya chiduri yad. Semicolon de nganzo pechi tangwash. Sentence tetis thunga suya chido nganzo we use semicolon. Understood?
Yes.
Let's go to the library to study. It's the only place where I can fully concentrate. Correct? Let's go to the library to study. You need to concentrate it's a full sentence. I'm going to give you two information together. Information ni nyamdo ti da kinzola. Library la study chaga duis. Khachila na di sa che deda ma lobtu jondu damba sa che yakshir sha go to do laida. Focus yabuchi do concentrate yabuchi do laida nye sentence ni nyamdo la tusa. I didn't use and but. But I use semicolon. Why? Because it will make your sentence shorter. Let's go to the library to study because it's the only place. Because, right? Because it's if I put because words is a big, right? Because words is semicolon compared to semicolon because words they kada words shinganyam to jargyoda. Shinganyam to jargyo ringbuda. So gap chinju ta I put semicolon.
Karakoso.
So semicolon the different tarande. Chinju doga line back. Okay, Sunda.
Colin tudu ane di jala ne kunto pena ina sinche kola ina ne elephants komaran di ninja tiyora.
It's not about semche mother. It's about when you are introducing list of things. Chala mangpo you are introduced na. Chala mangpo milalay na. Then you have to use colon. Penachas na gela la ya andilay ta. Okay, I will. For example, if I say, I went to kitchen and I saw so many things. So many things. Then I use colon over there. And yegi things I saw so many things, colon, and then kettle, spoon, plate, mug, jug. When you have so many things to introduce, or list of things to introduce, then you have to use colon. When you want to use semicolon, when you want to make your sentence shorter, and if you want to give two more information together, then you have to use semicolon.
Okay,
understood? What's that? Yes. Okay, now is to introduce a new complete sentence with words such as however, nevertheless, therefore, for example. And a semicolon becomes when we use sentence however, nevertheless, for example, that therefore, sentence however, therefore, any whatever, we use the semicolon ne petichi or eller. What's it?
Yes.
Ani next is next Karim Barod. Next, I'll say thank you if you understood well. And that
Thank you, Laro.
When you read, slow, and understand all the punctuation. chodo, kawala post shawdo, kawala ya kichimbulodo, kawala ni kira kansani lodo, diye gochu. If you don't know the punctuation singmena, your sentence will be boring because your sentence has no rhythm. Rhythm yomara. Sentence katulo di boring di lo di ra. Kinangi sentence la there's no rhythm. Bounce yomar. Then I say why? If it is a question, I say why? When? Your eyes are bigger, your voice are louder, your body postures are different. Ra. Kirangi tiwa kui hansangyu na. Wow, that is your voice are different again. So your emotions are different, right? Yes, you will say what you be. What is that?
Good say so.
The punctuation we stop here, and punctuation shamba in the and we'll continue next class also. That's the main concept punctuation is the main common punctuation is all amongst you here.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow to revise punctuation and you can just read one paragraph and how we
Yes, a sentence.
paragraph and how
No,
we
not a sentence.
paragraph where you have to read the punctuation is or you can bring tomorrow. Are tape roshi ni kyange tape yakshe roshira. Yamna kyange phrase yakshe, yamna kyange poem yakshe, yamna kyange essay yakshe roshi kinisho. So tomorrow we'll read with punctuation. Punctuation yun loinda. So that's the homework for you. And make you choose it.
Oh, beautiful.
现在呀，我现在。
Oh, thanks.
Yes, so.
You also to teacher.
Chichi, get like a tin chain of ten chair.
계산 상불라 ခွာ.
Tushna.
알았어. 계산 상불라 그냥 깨까시.
Meeting together for
계산 상불라. 그냥 거는 connection 맞는 봐.
Okay.
Okay. You just have to go home and get there correct. PPT shura. You have to go through there. Okay? Can you load? You understood?
No.
계산 삼은 되면서 그런 게 잘해야 보는데.
Ale, take ya umendu ya washing master. Dinzi da wala shinse. Da wala. Dinzi da wala mashina kisti woda. Dia mata dinzi da wala. Okay, ani thare sita da tamchi. Ani sani jeyo samlo.
Oh, Sunny J. Yongila.
Sunny Jayo.
Sani jeyo. Bye. Lasso, tujinang.
Cutting chair.
Lasso.
是啊。
哎，